Getting a disk space error in LDPlayer and page even when your drive looks fine? Yeah, that's a common issue, and we can fix it step by step. First, confirm your available storage. Make sure you have enough free space, at least several gigabytes. Next, clear temporary files. Remove junk files to free up space quickly. LDPlayer itself stores a lot of data. Clear cache to reduce used space. Multiple instances take up a lot of space. Delete instances you don't need. You can also expand LDPlayer's storage. Increase the allocated disk size for your instance. Running out of space on one drive, install or move LDPlayer to a drive with more storage. Heavy games can fill storage fast. Remove apps you don't use anymore. Quick reset helps too. This refreshes storage allocation. If the error persists, reinstall. This resets storage configuration completely. So, free up space, clear cache, remove extra instances, and expand storage if needed. That's the full fix for LDPlayer disk space errors in 2026.